And new details out of West Virginia now at 6. It's all but certain now that a critical deadline in the state Supreme Court impeachment process is going to be missed. Thanks for joining us tonight for 7 News at 6. I'm Tate Blanchard. While Democrats are ready to impeach one justice on the high court, Republican leaders say there's no need to rush the process. 7 News West Virginia political reporter Mark Curtis has more.
The House Judiciary Committee has been investigating the state Supreme Court spending scandal for the past month. While all justices are being investigated, the main focus is on suspended Justice Alan Lawfrey. If he is impeached and removed from office by August 14th, names of candidates could be put on the November ballot. But if that day is missed, Governor Justice gets to appoint Lawfrey's successor.
We need to finish by August 14th. This needs to go back to the taxpayers. This needs to go back to the people to make the decision, not Jim Justice and lobbyists and more politicians in a back room for an appointment. And I fear that that's the intention here.
But Republican leaders insist there is still a lot of information to gather, especially from the Judicial Investigations Commission, which had to be subpoenaed for additional documents. The focus so far has been on detailed reports from legislative auditors that showed a lot of expensive court spending for furniture, catered food, and over $100,000 for picture framing. The chairman says there's much more to look at before voting.
But to think that we can make our decision and call the House back into session and be ready to try a case that the Senate's ready to hear by August 14th, it's not practical, not realistic, and I'd say almost impossible.
On Wednesday, Democrats submitted 8 articles of impeachment against Justice Lawfrey, but it's unlikely they will be considered very soon. For now, the impeachment investigation continues to focus on the 4 remaining justices now that embattled Justice Menace Ketchum has retired. At the state capitol in Charleston, I'm Mark Curtis, 7 News.
All right, Mark, thank you. And among those considering a run for the Supreme Court are current House Speaker Tim Armstead, who is not seeking re-election to the House of Delegates, and Republican Congressman Evan Jenkins, who lost a bid for the U.S. Senate.